Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I know you guys kind of got bored with the weekly vlogs because I feel like they're kind of the same thing, so this time I decided to switch it up and do what I get up to in my weekend. So I will be vlogging Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is a Friday and I'm headed off for a meeting. Didn't go to school today. I kind of took one off because I have work stuff related things to do, so I'm going to take you guys with me. We're headed to Radisson Park in Radisson in Westlands. That's where we're going now. My Uber is actually here, so we're gonna get going. But other than that, this is my makeup. The car lashes are back in action, but yeah, just very minimal nude, my everyday nude look, like I said. But yeah, let me get going because I'm kind of late. Say that again, please. I need to put it on record.
You know Yasmin's vlog is gonna be lit.
You heard it.
Can somebody save me from taking this picture?
You guys are taking away my bright side. It's impossible. Say hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Join here.
YouTuber, fellow YouTuber actually.
Oh yeah.
She's a fellow YouTuber. Go watch her videos.
Join Claire. Follow me on Instagram.
Stefu.
At Stefu. Lovely bayo. Stefu talks. Stefu talks. Fleet. Hey, fleet.
I stand here waiting for you all the time. Hope you recognize before I fall apart. The one question staying on my mind is why you keep playing with my heart. And I've been waiting for a long, long time. Sometimes I wonder what made me start. The one question staying on my mind is why you keep playing with my heart.
I keep saying I'ma change. I'm 22 now, it's time to fucking act my age. And I just keep telling her that this is just a stage where every other night we go and party and we rage. And I be fucking up, I know. I'm so immature, I just hope she doesn't know. She's thinking about peace and fast if he doesn't grow up. In the next 5 minutes then she'll up and go. And I'm just saying wait up, let me show and prove. I know I did some things that you really won't excuse. You really got
TV is quite loud. Okay, let me turn the TV down actually. So I just got back home. I don't think I was allowed to film in the meeting, the whatever I was going to, so you guys are gonna hear about it probably later in the future soon. But yeah, I'm back home. I want to run to Yaya Center right now and I can't go because I'm in heels and I want to walk there because I need that walk, like fresh breath. My head hurts, so I just need a walk. But yeah, I'm gonna walk there. I need to go grab something and then I'll be back. So I can't obviously walk in heels, so I'm just gonna change in a pair of sneakers. I really miss these lashes. I haven't worn the car lashes in a while and they look soups natural. But yeah, let me get going. I'm actually in a hurry. Morning guys. So today is Saturday. It's like at 9 p.m. 9:40 actually, and I've been sitting here for like 30 minutes now, since like 9. And I've just been working. Like I said, I didn't go to school yesterday. I had a meeting. I wanted to bring you guys, but I couldn't. But I did get like after shots of us taking like photos and all that stuff and everything. But yeah, so since I wasn't able to go to school yesterday, I wasn't able to do my project. So I'm sorry if there's like loud noises, like construction going on outside. But I really wanted to find time to do it yesterday evening, but there was no time and I was tired and all that stuff, so I just decided I'm gonna go over it today. So project is a quiz board. I have to do a quiz board, so I'm gonna start on that. This is my setup for now. My computer, jug of water, and a pretty view that I can't get enough of. Because I have plans late. I really wanted to film a sit down video today. I don't know how possible that is because I have somewhere to go at like 2 p.m. ish, but we'll see about that. But like a makeup related video, I wanted to do one, but we'll see. Maybe I'll film it tomorrow, maybe not, because I really want to have 2 videos to go up. So this vlog and another video that I want to go up, but I want to get majority of this work done today, so that tomorrow, if I'm not able to finish, I can do it Monday and then submit it then. But we'll see. But yeah, let me just create the website and all that stuff. I'll stop talking and then we get to work. See you. So I am finally ready, guys. I told you guys I had, this thing is kind of tilted. I told you guys I had, the lighting is not satisfying. I told you guys I had plans today, so finally ready. Barely any makeup. I'm only wearing concealer, highlight, bronzer, blush, a little bit of like brown eyeshadow. My brows, obviously, I did them in a weird way today. I don't know if I'm feeling them. This is the Fenty Beauty lipstick. It's so pretty. It's like the best red lips. And this is my outfit. It's a very pretty outfit. It's this leather dress with like pockets. But yeah, we're headed to Boho Eatery. I don't think I will carry the camera. I'm waiting for my ride and then we can go. Morning, guys. So Sunday, yesterday, I went out for lunch. I didn't carry the camera, like I said. I just wanted to be intimate. You know that sometimes you just don't want to shove camera in front of people's faces. That's how I was feeling. Anyway, today's Sunday. I have the people at Link over here to do mani and pedi. If you guys know Link, they do like in-house mani pedis at the house, so that's pretty cool. So that's what we're doing today. Super excited. I've never really had my nails done like done professionally, especially like gel polish. I've never done that before, so we're gonna try it out. But after that, I have to continue my project stuff. I really want to film a sit-down video, maybe, hopefully. I really want to do one, and then after that, probably continue my project and other stuff. But yeah, today's a very laid-back, chill day. I had other plans, but they got cancelled. So see you guys. Let's go upstairs. Actually. I just got my feet cleaned. They look crony because they were just in the water. But so far, so good. I'm actually working on a few like assignments and emails and just getting my life ready before the beginning of the week. As I get my feet done, I could get used to this life. So they finished. This is the color I chose for my nails. Barely anything. It's like a nude, flesh-like nude. Looks exactly like my nails. It looks like I have nothing on actually. I don't know if you can tell. I love it, but I'm gonna go drop my niece right now to madrasa. So I want to film a video. I'm gonna show you guys my setup in a bit, but I want to grab my eyeshadow. I want to use, I don't know if I should do a popping look or not. I feel I should do that, right? Just step out of my comfort zone or share my everyday makeup, but I want to do a makeup look. But then I'm leaving the house later to watch the game, so I don't know. I can't be seen. I don't know if I'll be able to leave in this makeup, but we'll see.